Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our 8th question. What is that? CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB, and angle FGE. So these are the angle bisectors of ZD and GH, and such that D and H lies on the AB and FE. So AB and FE of the triangle ABC and triangle FGE. So respectively, so if ABC and FGE are congruent to FEZ, so FABC and FEZ are similar to each other, then what is that? First one, we have to show that CD by GH will be equal to AC by FG, and triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So HGE and triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So what are the given conditions? Let's go into write it. So given that, so what are the given conditions? So here are given that CD and GH are, so CD and GH are angle bisectors of angle bisectors angle ACB, angle bisectors of angle ACB and angle FGE. So these are the angle bisectors, and D and H lies on the sides of what you can say, sides of AB and FE, and what is that they are given? So ABC is similar to triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So these are the conditions that are given. So based on these conditions, we have to, first one, what is that required to prove RTP is, so first one, CD by GH. So CD by GH will be equal to, first one, RTP, CD by GH will be equal to AC by FG. So what is the proof for this? So we have to take for this. So what is the proof? So proof for this is, so proof for the first one, we have to show CD by GH will be equal to AC by FG, CD by GH in the both the given triangles. So first one, let's take it. Here they are given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So based on this similarity criterion, so these two angles, angle C will be equal to angle G. So corresponding angles in the given similar triangles are equal. So angle C will be equal to angle G. For this, you can take off of their angle C. So angle C and angle G will be equal in the given. So these two triangles are similar to each other. So half of the C will be equal to half of the angle G. Then half of the angle C will be equal to, you can take, so here they are CD by GH and AC by FG. So for that we have to take this triangle ADC and FHG. ADC and FHG triangle you have to take. For that, half of the angle will be equal to, half of the angle C will be equal to, so angle angle ACD will be equal to angle FGH. So these are the first one. Let's take this is equation 1. Then, and also angle A will be equal to angle F. So angle A will be equal to angle F and angle B will be equal to angle E. So corresponding sides will be equal. So in two similar triangles, corresponding angles will be equal. So based on that, angle A will be equal to angle F in triangle ABC and triangle FEG. Then let's take it, this is equation 2. So angle A will be equal to angle, let's write it, angle A will be equal to angle CAD. Angle CAD will be equal to angle GFH. So this is equation 2. Let's take it equation 2 from 1 and 2. from 1 and 2 by AA similarity criterion, AA similarity criterion of triangles. What you can write here is, so triangle ACD is similar to triangle triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. So based on that, you can write one condition, that is, what is that? CD by GH, CD by GH will be equal to AC by FG. So these are the hence proved. So for the first one is proved. Then what is the second one? So second one, here they are given that second one, let's take it second from these two triangles. What is required to prove? Triangle DCB, so triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. For that you have to take again, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So based on these two triangles, we can take it one thing. So ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So in order to show that DCB HGE, you have to take again angle C will be equal to angle G. So take it off of this, angle C will be equal to off of angle G. So angle C means, so here we are concentrating this DCB triangle. So based on that, you can consider, so angle off of the angle C will be equal to, what is that angle? So here off of the angle C will be equal to off of the angle C. So for that you can take angle DCB will be equal to angle HGE. And this is, let's take it, this is 1 again for second one. Again, so angle B will be equal to angle E. Angle B will be equal to angle E. So based on these two conditions, angle B, for that DBC, that implies angle B means angle DBC will be equal to angle HEG. Angle HGE. So this is equation 2. From 1 and 2, AA similarity criterion, what you can write, AA similarity criterion. So triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So DCB is similar to triangle second one, hence it is proved, HEHGE. Let's going to take third one. What is the third one here is, so triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So here also two conditions you can use it. So what is that? Triangle DCA. So let's take it angle DCA. DCA is equal to triangle angle HGF. This is one. Then again DAC. Angle DAC is equal to angle HFG. So based on this, by AA similarity criterion, so AA similarity criterion, what you can write it here, criterion, what you can write, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So if any two angles will be equal, then you can remember only one condition. By using of these AA similarity criterion, you can say the given two triangles will be congruent to each other. Like that we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe.